Our customers are aware of the many benefits of a sprung structure. Our design versatility, durability, and construction timelines are just a few of the advantages our customers experience when working with us. We have successfully created building solutions across multiple industries for over 130 years in over 100 countries worldwide. From extending the lifespan of our structures through membrane replacement, to adding extensions and accessories years later, and changing layout designs to accommodate growth, we continue to create ongoing solutions for our customers that allow them to optimize their original structure as their business grows and evolves. Sprung Structures provide the ability to replace membrane panels at the end of a membrane's life or for other reasons such as rebranding. We are able to work with our existing clients in their expanding businesses to accommodate growth and change. The membrane can be replaced using two methods: detensioning the existing membrane from the beams and replacing it with a brand new membrane, or adding new membrane over top of the existing one with an extrusion added to the beams. This method is ideal if you want to avoid disturbing the interior layout or operations in any way. Both methods have also been used to rebrand structures by changing colors and patterns for a whole new exterior aesthetic. With a membrane replacement, your structure is ready for another 20 to 30 years of use. In addition to replacing the exterior membrane, many clients are in a position where their business needs have outgrown the original structure. Sprung structures are designed to be repurposed for a wide range of applications. For example, the modular design of the sprung structure allows for easy expansion. Simply add an unlimited number of modules to the existing structure to accommodate future expansion. Single structures can also be reconfigured into several smaller structures as needed to diversify business requirements. Many of our clients have single membrane cold storage structures. In cases where it would be beneficial for the structure to be climate controlled, we can add an insulation package. Noticeable upgrades on a sprung structure are relatively effortless. Add a personnel door, vestibule, entrance canopy, connecting corridor, or a cargo door to support your growth transition. If you have already experienced the advantages a sprung structure provides and are interested in maximizing your structure's potential, we are here to help. Connect with us today to start the conversation on how your sprung can keep growing with you and your business for many years to come.